Losing something special was the push I needed to follow my dreams. More than anything, I wanted to create a new life on the other side of the world. 2 years of hard work making the dream real. And just as everything was falling into place, coronavirus. I had to turn this negative into a positive the only way I know how. Reconnecting with this country, exploring it with my closest friends, and appreciating all of the hidden gems it has to offer. Being by the ocean and in the water has helped me in so many ways. It taught me how to let go of depression and anxiety just by completely being in the moment, a freedom like no other. This is Dorset.